Alrighty guys, we're gonna rip out some of the top part, put new edging in, new fabric, river wash around the stairs, then we're gonna angle it here. Then we're bringing this grade up here because water's flowing down here. So we're gonna put a timber in and we're gonna raise this grade to get it coming this way. Alright guys, rain is coming down. We got a majority of the job done. You can see edging, fabric, most of the rock is in. We're missing a bit of rock. That edge is in. Tied it in real nice. Sure. All right, we're gonna pack it in here. Not sure if we'll get it finished today. We'll probably swing by tomorrow, tidy it all up. And if